After hitting Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, Hurricane Ernesto is on track to deliver a blow to Bermuda. It could develop into a Category 3 hurricane or stronger before it reaches Bermuda Saturday. We will also see the effects of the hurricane in our area this weekend, even though it will stay offshore. Ernesto is set to create massive waves, perhaps up to 40 feet high, that will lead to rough seas and dangerous rip currents along our shores. And Danny, obviously, you can tell us a little bit more about how that's going to affect us here.
So obviously the 40-foot wave heights are not going to be at our shores, but offshore near where Hurricane Ernesto is, really rough seas. But of course, Bermuda now is where it's taking aim as it continues to strengthen in the Atlantic. I'll get you that track coming up in a second. I want to start first with what we are facing as you head out the door, and that is hazy sunshine. It does not look great, but air quality is not that bad. 70 is the AQI right now, considered moderate. So that smoke from the Canadian wildfires staying high enough in the atmosphere to not impact what you're breathing in, but it does visually look awfully hazy out there. Temperatures across the 5 boroughs, generally upper 70s, low 80s, but check out the beaches. Rockaway Beach at 86. It looks like Coney Island at 86 as well. So we have a beautiful beach day with a lot of sun. 81 right now in the East Village. As we zoom out and look north, still a couple upper 70s for our northern suburbs here. We're up to 85 already in Newark. That's the warm spot. 82 in Wrightstown, same for Montauk. So out east, beautiful day. Dew point's not bad. We started in the 50s, so a little bit higher than what we saw early this morning, but low to mid 60s is still fairly comfortable, especially when coupled with sunny skies and a light breeze. Some beautiful conditions out there today. Some fair weather clouds drifting over the island right now. I'm keeping a close eye on these spotty showers north of Sullivan County. They seem to be fizzling out, but they'll hold together heading into later this afternoon. Do want to touch on Hurricane Ernesto. Ooh, looks like we have problems with the satellite there. Don't worry. Now we're getting to the track. Well, it looks like we will continue to see that strengthening as we move into tonight and tomorrow. Forecast to become a major category. Well, maybe that forecast did drop at 11 a.m. Somewhere between a Category 2 or 3 as it continues to zoom through the Atlantic. See that little red dot there? That's Bermuda. So we are looking at significant impacts to Bermuda. Whether it's a direct hit or just offshore, still going to have heavy rain, gusty wind, really impressive wave heights and storm surge probably, and an issue for Bermuda as well. Even if a little bit of gradual weakening is expected right around Bermuda, it's still going to be a messy weekend for them. For us, this stays hundreds and hundreds of miles offshore, but it's still going to bring us some rough surf as well as a rip current risk this weekend. But that's not the only reason why this weekend's not looking great for the beach. We're also looking at a return of rain chances. So if you're trying to get some beach days in today and tomorrow, definitely the best bet. Saturday into Sunday, we see the dangerous water as well as that increasing rain chance. Right now, satellite and radar is quiet. We are watching this wildfire smoke, again, high in the atmosphere, so it's not necessarily impacting air quality, but certainly impacting how it looks. And that haze sticks around tonight into tomorrow before it finally clears out, moving into Saturday as the rain chances move in. So today, it's a mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky with our highs in the mid to upper 80s. Second half of the day brings in these spotty rain and thunderstorm chances. Again, it's so hit or miss that it's nothing widespread or consistent. Chances favor areas north of the city, but can't eliminate the possibility across the board. Anything that does develop should settle down once the sun sets, and from there, partly cloudy conditions take us overnight into tomorrow morning. So looking at the hour by hour today, just beautiful. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy, even if it is a little hazy out there. Our highs are in the mid to upper 80s, but with comfortable levels of humidity, that still feels pretty good. Tonight, partly cloudy and quiet. Tomorrow, a touch warmer by a degree or two. And although there is an uptick in humidity tomorrow, it's still fairly comfortable. By Saturday, we are noticing the humidity and the breezy wind. By Sunday, the scattered showers and storms are probably the weather headline. So a wetter weekend ahead, not a total washout, but as far as beautiful sunny beach days, today and tomorrow are
I like those high temperatures, low humidity. I'm all about it.
Right? I'm loving this.
She's here for it.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Danny. Still to come this afternoon, a warning about cucumbers. Why you may want to consider throwing them out right now.
Plus, why the lifespan of American women is falling compared to more than a dozen other high-income countries.
Eyewitness News mornings at 10 gets you talking.
You're going to want to hear this?
The news.
There's a lot happening this morning.
AccuWeather forecast. Rain today.
So you might want this.
And money-saving tips.
You're welcome.
Everyone's talking about it. Eyewitness News mornings at 10. Everyone's talking about it.
Do you